Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing none other than Caspa. What is happening with Caspa right now? Because, we're seeing Caspa having a 11.5% pullback on the daily time frame. And I know especially the newcomers probably are wondering what exactly is happening. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So if we're looking at Caspa on the daily time frame, as mentioned, it's down about 11.5% on the daily. But if we're looking at the price, guys, the Caspa's price is currently sitting at 8.67 cents. We're down about 11.1% in USD comparative, also down 12.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap below $2 billion mark, we're currently sitting at just below that $1.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 64.2 million. One thing, of course, worthwhile noting is that the volume has decreased quite substantially compared to yesterday. We have, seen almost half percent, 50% decrease in the 24-hour trading volume. So what exactly is causing Caspa to see a dip? Why is Caspa seeing a dip? And I know people that are in the Caspa community are probably wondering that. People are forgetting about the fact that it's been, making this run towards the upside. It's up about more than 100% over the past 2 weeks. But, people want to see Caspa continue to grow. So we're going to talk about that. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at the king of the markets right now. That's what I want you guys to be focusing on, which is, of course, Bitcoin. Take a very, very close look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen over the past few hours a little bit of a minor correction, and this right here is the hourly time frame. So you can see a little bit of a retracement within the price of Bitcoin is causing the Bitcoin dominance index to move a little bit more towards the upside. Especially if I show it to you on the daily time frame, you will understand as to what I'm saying. If you look at it on the daily time frame, you can see we're starting to see the dominance index move up towards the upside, and that generally happens when BTC has majority of the momentum. So we could be expecting, if Bitcoin is able to make more move towards the downside, especially retest 36,800, or even potentially make its way back down to 36,200 over the next few hours, we could see altcoins going down, and that is obviously not a surprise to anyone because of the correlation that exists between altcoins and BTC. Remember, before you guys say anything, if you come and say Crypto ZX, you're being bearish, this and that, no guys, we're being realistic. Let's take a look at this wick. Just happened yesterday. We saw the price of Bitcoin go up to 37,900, set ourselves a new yearly high, and boom, a massive wick, which caused huge liquidations across the board. So these manipulation types of trades happen every single day in the cryptocurrency market, and of course we're approaching the weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see manipulation across the board because CME futures are closed. But what does this mean for Caspa, and where could the price of Caspa be going as we do go further into this upcoming weekend ahead of us? So you guys can see this for yourself, guys. You can't make this up right now. We're seeing Caspa still trading between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And if you guys are a follower on my channel, you guys know this area, this red zone. I don't care if the price of Caspa is trading around 8.3 cents. I don't care if it's trading at 9.9 cents. As long as the price remains in this red zone, which is considered the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, this is considered the all-time high zone for myself. Because remember, this right here, I'm showing you guys the charts on the daily time frame right now. The hourly time frame. So we're taking a closer look as to what the overall candles really are doing. So pretty much you guys can see we kind of have some support built up around here, and let me just label this for you guys so you can really understand as to what I'm saying. So pretty much I would say here, let's draw this out. The visuals are the best way to understand. So you can see something is happening right now. So pretty much since yesterday, after breaking an all-time high, we were trading above this level of support, which is at the 8.8 cents. And this time around, we've seen the price wick below it. We've seen a wick earlier today as well. But right now, we're actually sitting below this level of support, which now we'll be facing as a level of resistance. So could we potentially see the price of Kaspa continuing to see more downside? Yes, we could, depending on BTC. And this is why you guys want to be paying very, very close attention to Bitcoin right now, because like I said, if Bitcoin is able to lose the support at 36,800, there's a strong chance we could potentially retest 36,200. And again, the long-term picture has not changed at all. These type of moves will always occur. Bitcoin at the end of the day will get manipulated, and whales will come and try to shake out the weak hands. And what I mean by the weak hands is leverage traders. And this is why you do not want to be leverage trading. This should be a constant example to each and every one of you guys to stay away from futures trading. If this does not tell you it, I don't know what will. And on my channel, each one of you guys on the Crypto ZX channel, the followers, the family that we have built here, I do not want you guys touching leverage trading. So, these are some factors we need to keep in mind. We have seen a huge wick, which happened yesterday because of the Bitcoin wick. We saw a 7.1 cents Caspa, and if you picked it up around there, if your buy orders got filled around there, you saw the price bounce 40% in a single day. So, is this time to worry? I don't think it's a time to worry at all, because now if I were to show you guys the daily time frame, you will see the charts don't look bad at all. The charts are not looking as bad. So these kind of wicks will always occur, guys. There will be times where things just don't continuously go towards the upside. But if BTC is able to reclaim and bounce back up to this 37,500 zone, be prepared that Caspa will start retesting that 9 cents mark. And we continuously tend to forget, guys, that Caspa has had a tremendous amount of run just since this month of November started. You can see this for yourself. November 1st, we've seen in just a matter of 10 days the price of Caspa double. Yep, you guys can see this for yourself. You cannot make this up. So Caspa has been seeing tremendous amount of growth. We reached the $2 billion market valuation, which is such a psychological price point. So profit taking will happen. And guess what? Believe it or not, what you're seeing right now is called profit taking. And this is why, I continuously say, guys, if you're sitting in a 9x or a 10x, locking in a little bit of a profit is not going to hurt. Now think about it. Would you not have wanted to lock in profits yesterday or no? Because 11.9% decrease, you could have picked something else up, or bought some Caspa cheaper. And when we say lock in profits, no one is telling you to go close out your entire position. Maybe 5%, maybe 10%, depending on how your overall goals are set up as. So this is what I want you guys to think of. But again, in my opinion, this is nothing to worry about. It's all based on BTC's momentum right now, and I think in the coming days, Caspa will be able to make its way back up towards new or all-time highs, even in the next few hours if Bitcoin is able to bounce back up. So just try to teach you guys along the way, especially tips that I've learned over the time. If you've done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, guys, then patience is your number one key to follow, because we're just getting started in this bull market. It's nowhere near the start, in my opinion. I think things are only going to get bigger next year. Yes, we will see consolidation phases, but as far as the bigger picture is concerned, I think we're just starting out. But of course, time is only going to tell. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.